Okay, there's the box. There's a Black Widow hydraulic motorcycle and ATV jack. And this thing was shipped from, I believe it was Wisconsin. It weighs 65 pounds. It's a 1,500 pound capacity. And I've got the ultra limited to put it up on top on. And so I'm gonna turn it over upside down. There it is. Let me see here. Get my knife out. But I'm gonna make two videos of one is gonna be unboxing, the other one is gonna be putting it together. So anyways, there's not a video on this on YouTube and on the assembly, and or actually on anything on this model. So I decided to make a video. And, I'm gonna flip it back over. Okay. Well, there we have it. There's the instructions. It's a little box of something. That's the hydraulic jack part of it. That's but let me see. That'll come out too. All right, well, that's the unboxing of it anyway. And that didn't take long, a couple of minutes. But anyway, I'm gonna make another video. I'm gonna come back out here and put it together, make another video once I get it completely out of the box. But anyway, that's it. Again, you know, it's the Black Widow hydraulic motorcycle ATV jack. And I believe this model is BW-0101 or 1010. I forget what it is. Oh, there it is right there. It's 0101. So anyway, but stand by. I'm going to get the tools that I need. I'm going to read over this and get the tools and everything before I get this thing out and make another video. Thanks now. Y'all have a good day.